Hi, we are presenting today the activity number 2 about the robotic arm. The first job that we need to accomplish is to draw 1 inch square. So here we are with the steps. First is to lower the pen to write. After that, it's move 1 inch in the direction it is pointing. After that, it's to raise the pen above the paper to stop writing. Then to rotate 90 degrees to the right. Then lower the pen to right. After that, moving 1 inch to the direction it is pointing. Then raise the pen. Then rotating 90 degrees. Lowering the pen. Drawing 1 inch to the direction it is pointing, then raising the pen, rotating 90 degrees, and for the last, it will be move 1 inch in the direction it is pointing, and raise the pen. So we can see here the square of 1 inch. The second job that we need to accomplish is to draw 3 circles that form a chain. So the first step, it will be to lower the pen, then draw a 1 inch diameter circle. After that, moving 1 inch to the way it is pointing. So here is 1 inch. Then lowering the pen, and again drawing a 1 inch diameter circle. Then raising the pen and moving 1 inch to the way that it is pointing. So here it is, 1 inch. Then lowering the pen and drawing 1 inch circle. So now here we have the chain that is formed with 3 circles. The third job that we need to accomplish is to draw a 2x1 rectangle. So it's the first step is to lower the pen and move 1 inch in the way it's pointing. Then move another inch to the same way. After that, rotating 90 degrees. First we need to raise the pen, then rotate 90 degrees, then moving 1 inch to the way it is pointing. After that, raising the pen and rotating 90 degrees. We lower the pen, we go forward 1 inch, then another inch. We raise the pen, rotate 90 degrees, lower the pen, and go forward 1 inch. So here we have our square. Then the fourth job that we need to accomplish is to form a short word. The word that we chose is to, T, O. So here we accomplished. The first step is to lower the pen. After that, going 1 inch to the way it is pointing, then another inch to the same way, then turning, rotating 90 degrees to the right, going 1 inch forward, then raise the pen, rotate 90 degrees, again 90 degrees, and go 1 inch forward, then we lower the pen and draw 1 inch again. After that, we raise the pen, rotate 90 degrees, again 90 degrees, we go 1 inch forward, another inch forward, another inch forward, we rotate 90 degrees, we go 1 inch forward, and then we lower the pen and draw 1 circle. And then we raise the pen. So here we have the word to. Then we are changing to the second part. Now we need to do the second part. Here it says that if the robot is resting, sit on a chair, describe the steps it will need to follow to. The first job that we need to accomplish is to get another chair 4 steps away. So the first step, it will be to stand up, then take the first step forward, so it will be number 1, then another step forward, another step forward, and finally another one. After that, the robot will sit and we will achieve that job. The second job that we need to accomplish here is get to the same chair even if there is an obstacle in the middle. So imagine our robot is right here now, and there is an obstacle over here. So this is our obstacle. So the first thing that we will need to do first, it will be to stand up. So the robot stands up, then goes 1 step forward, then he looks if there's he checks if there is an obstacle ahead. So when he checks, he saw this obstacle, and now he needs to go 90 degrees to the right. So then get 1 step forward, and then 90 degrees to the left. Now get another step forward, then he rotates 90 degrees to the left. First 90 degrees, then he takes 1 step forward, and then he turns 90 degrees to the right. So now the robot is looking over there, and he have passed the obstacle. We can see that first this was the first step. forward. Here, the second step, so we are only missing 2 steps forward to get to the other chair. So when he's looking over the direction of the other chair, he only needs to get 1 step forward, that it will be the third one, and finally another step, that will be the fourth one, and he have accomplished the job.